Now the next thing you will need to know is HTML tags. What is basically an HTML tag? Well, the only thing you will need to understand about tags, because tags are going to be forming the elements behind your Joomla website. For instance, if you want to insert an image, you will be using the image HTML tags. If you want to create a paragraph, you will be using the paragraph HTML tags, and so on. However, the only thing we are going to be learning inside this video is the structure behind the HTML tags. First of all the tags are going to be surrounded by angle brackets. Initial angle bracket and an ending angle bracket. And between those brackets, the tag name. Again, you are going to have initial angle bracket, the tag name, and the closing angle bracket. The other thing you will need to be aware is that on one side you are going to have an initial tag and an ending tag, but on the other side you are going to have tags without an ending tag. Those special tags are going to be called empty tags because they are not going to have an ending tag. You are going to be closing those tags with a diagonal. In order for you to understand all this, let's go and continue analyzing the Google website. And as you can see in here, you are going to have the initial head tag, okay? And you can notice right away the initial angle bracket, the tag name, and the closing angle bracket. If we click in there, you are going to go all the way down, and this will be the ending tag. Initial angle bracket, the diagonal, which in this case will mean the ending tag, then the tag name and the closing angle bracket. Then if we go up a little bit, this will be an empty tag, because as you can see, you are not going to be able to see an ending tag right here. So you are going to find out that the meta tag will be an empty tag. Now in HTML5 you can use the closing diagonal line right here at the end or not. But again, don't worry at this moment about that. Right now understand how tags are structured behind the HTML markup. As you can see, this will be the title tag, initial angle bracket, the tag name, and the closing angle bracket. This will be the initial tag and the ending tag. The ending tag will be recognized by the diagonal line. Let's go down inside the body and try to see if we find an image, because an image normally will be an empty tag. You know what? Let's go to joomla.org and click on body. This will be the initial body tag. And let's go down, click in here, and then in here, and probably in here. I am just going to try to find the image in here. Well, in this case they are not using any image. They are using CSS styles to implement this image in here. Because if I go in here and disable this, the image will be gone. I will be showing you all these techniques in the future. Don't worry at this moment. So anyway, I don't find any image tag, but again the tag will be this initial angle bracket, the tag name, and then the closing angle bracket. And if we go in here, this will be the ending tag down here, initial angle bracket, diagonal, the tag name, and the closing angle bracket. So just keep this in mind. Tags are going to be always surrounded by angle brackets. And then you are going to have two different kinds of tags. On one side you are going to have initial tags and ending tags, and on the other side you are going to have empty tags. And those empty tags are not going to have ending tags. They are going to be closed with the diagonal before the closing angle bracket. For right now, that's all I want you to keep in mind. So let's go ahead and move on to the next video.